Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm gonna be sharing briefly about where to start your trading journey if you are an absolute beginner. So if you are a beginner and you have zero knowledge about trading and you are starting from the scratch, this video is for you. So from where you will start. Here's the 5 steps I made it for you to start step by step. So the first one will be the mindset. So let's go to the first one. So you need to keep in mind that trading is a probability game, not a prediction game. You will lose the trade at the beginning and you will still lose the trade even after you become the professional. These are the mindset you need to keep in your mind. And the most important thing is you need to focus on the process, not the outcome. Whatever the outcome, it doesn't matter. As long as you are focusing on the process, you are on the right track on trading. And trading is not a shortcut to make money fast. It will take times, like 1 to 2 years minimum, to build a proper education based on my experience. So guys, these are the things you need to memorize before you go to the next step. So I hope you are clear with this step, and let's go to the second step. The second step is you need to try to understand the market. You need to try to understand the basics. So you need to learn how to read the charts, how to read the candlesticks, and you need to understand the time frame. The chart, it will tells you what the market is happening, and how to read the candlestick I will be showing briefly here. So in one candlestick there's 2 parts and 4 components. Okay, so the circle area, this circle area, it will be the wick, and this color area, it will be the body. So there's a 2 part. One is wick and the second is body in one candlestick, and 4 components are opening price, closing price, highest price, and the lowest price. So we call it in short OHLC: open, high, low, close. Okay, if the price is close higher than the opening price, it will be the red candlesticks, and if the price is close lower than the opening price, it will be the red candlesticks. So these are the basic things to read a candlesticks. And for the time frame, so H4 and below, it will be the lower time frame, and D1 and above, it will be the higher time frame. So the lower time frame, it is like a street view, as you can see here in the picture. It is easy to get lost, it moves fast, and it creates so many noises for beginners. And the higher time frame is like a full city layout view. It is more clear. It will show you bigger picture. It is more clear and it will tells you the truth. So as a beginner, I will suggest you to start with a higher time frame. So I hope you are clear with this step also, and let's go to the next step. So the third step is learning the technicals. So in here I mention 5 popular and basic technicals which I'm using right now, and which most people are using right now. So as a beginner, you don't need to learn all the technical for the first time. You need to learn only one technical, only one technique. It is enough for you. So it will be the support and resistance. So trying to learn the support and resistance for the first time, and you will become master in your trading journey. So let's go to the next step. It is using the right application for your trading. So there will be 2 parts. One is for Forex and gold, and the other one is for the crypto. So here I will be showing the application that I am using for both Forex and gold and the crypto. For Forex and gold, I'm using MetaTrader 4. I'm using this application for both chart reading and the chart reading, analysis, and the trading. So for Forex, gold, I'm using MetaTrader 4. And for the crypto, I'm using Binance, Bybit, and MEXC exchange for trading, and analyzing and chart reading. I'm using the TradingView. So you need to use the right application for each market. And then lastly, it will be the risk and reward strategy. About this one, I already made the video in my YouTube channel. So if you haven't watched that video, I will suggest you to go and watch. I will be putting the link in the description and the video as well. So the basic concept is you need to understand the risk per trade. You need to understand how to do the position sizing, and you need to understand the risk and reward ratio. So the golden rule here is never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total account in one single trade. So this is the golden rule. You need to follow and very strictly. This is your roadmap for your trading journey. The first one is all the things that I mentioned earlier, all the steps that I mentioned earlier, foundation. So you need to build your knowledge and you need to set up your necessary tools. This is the foundation step. And the second is you need to you need to become master in your knowledge. And the third is you need to be consistent with your trading journey, with your routine. And the fourth one is you need to start trading only as a demo, or maybe you can even start with very small amount on real account. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this thing will be helpful for you to start learning as an absolute beginner. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.